In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to write off bad debt in Xero step by step. If you have a customer invoice that's never going to be paid, it's important to remove it properly from your accounts so your financial reports stay accurate. I'll walk you through the manual journal method and also show you an alternative credit note method so you can choose the one that works best for your business. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Xero accounting tutorials. Let's get started. First, log into your Xero account. Once you're on the dashboard, go to the top menu and click on Accounting. From the drop-down, select Advanced, and then click on Manual Journals. This is where we'll manually adjust the accounts to write off the bad debt. Click on New Journal to create a new manual journal entry. In the narration field, enter something clear and descriptive, such as Bad Debt Write-Off, Customer Name. This makes it easy to track later when reviewing reports. Next, select the write-off date. This should typically be the date you've decided the debt is uncollectible. Now we'll add the journal lines. On the first line, choose your bad debts expense account. In the debit column, enter the full amount of the unpaid invoice. This records the loss as an expense in your profit and loss statement. On the second line, select accounts receivable. In the credit column, enter the same amount. This reduces the outstanding balance in accounts receivable and removes the unpaid invoice from your books. Make sure the total debits and credits match. Once everything looks correct, click Post to finalize the journal. That's it. The bad debt has now been written off using the manual journal method. Now let me show you the alternative method, using a credit note. This method is often preferred because it directly links to the original invoice. From the main menu, go to Sales and then click on Invoices. Find the unpaid invoice you want to write off. Open the invoice, then click on Invoice Options and select Add Credit Note. Create a credit note for the full outstanding amount of the invoice. Make sure the account code used on the credit note is your bad debts expense account. Once you've entered the details, click Approve. After approving the credit note, you'll need to allocate it against the unpaid invoice. This clears the invoice balance in Xero. In some cases, you may also need to go to Accounting, then Bank Accounts, click Add Transaction, and choose Spend Money if you're clearing balances through a specific process in your workflow. Ensure the transaction is coded to the bad debts account so everything reconciles correctly. And that's it. You've now learned 2 effective ways to write off bad debt in Xero, using manual journals and using the credit note method. Both approaches ensure your accounts receivable is accurate, and your financial statements reflect the true position of your business. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step Xero guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.